Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set a passcode on your Botim account, so how to enable your security lock. So first we're going to have to download the Botim app. So once we do that, we're going to open it. So as you can see, we're already logged in. So next we're going to click on all, which is on the bottom right. Then we're going to click on our profile, which is on the top right corner. Then we're going to click on account. Then as you can see, there is manage my account option. We're going to click on it. As you can see, there is the passcode option. Once you click on it, it's going to allow you to set a passcode. You could set whatever passcode you want. Then you're going to confirm it again. So as you can see, we set the passcode for our Botim account. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.